In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show on user input in Zoho Creator. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoho's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zoho.com. This will take you to the main page of Zoho's cloud software suite for businesses. Once you're there, look for the sign in option, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the login page. After you've clicked on sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there should be an option to sign up. Enter your details and proceed to sign in. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho homepage. It's the central hub where you can access different Zoho applications. From here, look for Creator among the suite of available applications. Clicking on Creator will redirect you to the Creator dashboard. Now that you're in the Creator dashboard, it's time to select an application you'd like to work with. You'll usually see a list of applications that have already been created. Pick the one you wish to edit by simply clicking on it. With the application open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Edit button. Clicking on this button will allow you to modify the application's settings and components. Next, look for the section labeled Workflows. This section is crucial for managing and automating processes within your application. Clicking on Workflows will give you various options. Once in the Workflows menu, you're ready to create a new workflow. Find and click on Create Workflow. This button will guide you through implementing new automation. Lastly, you'll find an option that says User Input of a field. Click on this to configure how the application responds when a user inputs data into a particular field. You can control what actions or changes are triggered based on specific inputs from users. Now you're all set to implement user input functions in Zoho Creator. This configuration not only improves data flow but also tailors interactions to fit specific requirements or actions needed by your application. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for setting up user inputs in Zoho Creator. Thanks for watching and take care.